Welcome to 531 15th Street South, a gorgeous two-story home built in the 1930s that has been extensively renovated and upgraded with only the highest quality products. Yet it feels like you're entering a time period where arts and entertainment were the focus. As you enter, you feel just that. This home was designed around entertaining and they left nothing out. You will notice the marble floor with a border of Brazilian slate, yet when you look up, you see that archways have been added to mimic the original front door, giving the home balance and elegance immediately. The moment you enter, there is so much visually to take in. The entire main floor had the original hardwood floor taken up, the floors were leveled, the hardwood restored and replaced. At that same time, the owners had some walls removed to open up the space in a way that you couldn't imagine it any other way. There is lighting throughout that will highlight your art as you move effortlessly through the home. A large formal dining room that opens onto your absolutely stunning top-of-the-line kitchen. In this home, the kitchen is your workspace, not your entertaining space, as you have several options for space that do just that. Leave your kitchen as your prep area while you entertain your guests. Walk through your kitchen to find a breakfast nook with 2 skylights and more cabinetry, a 360-degree wood-burning fireplace, and a gorgeous living room off the back of the house that opens with the double floor-to-ceiling glass doors onto your south-facing deck, allowing for continuous light to pour in, or open for an extension of your living entertaining space when the seasons allow. This 2-story home could be considered for those wanting a bungalow or main floor living, because there is everything you need for one-level living. A dressing room with built-in cabinetry and washer and dryer make this a true pleasure to find your perfect outfit. A fully renovated, oversized powder room on the main floor, easily accessible to your guests, a master bedroom that has had an additional closet, and an absolutely stunning ensuite with heated floors, an oversized walk-in shower, a freestanding tub looking onto the stunning beauty of a cherry blossom tree for a feeling of elegance and peace. Double sinks and light for artwork make the space an enjoyable way to get ready for your day or evening out. A separate water closet with its own sink complete this masterpiece. From the front entrance, on your right opens into a beautiful sitting room with the original fireplace that has huge west windows for the beautiful evening sun. Note the secret door that goes to a passageway up a back staircase that was preserved completely original, including the refurbished 1930s sconces on the wall. There are 2 more bedrooms, a completely renovated 4-piece bathroom, an office, and a family room that captures the morning and daytime sun. You will see some original windows that preserve the style of the home, but also function completely in sealed casings, and everywhere that you see a new window, it is a triple glazed, energy efficient, but also noise reducing beauty. The gorgeous character of this home, again preserved with the antique Victorian radiators that have been restored to their original beauty and vintage. An oversized garage and 4 different sitting areas in your outdoor space, which doesn't include your front veranda, all surrounded by the charm of mature trees that make living inside or out an absolute pleasure in this home. If ever there was a home you could only dream about, this is it. Welcome home.